Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Anissa binti Alhamna and I am from Group 16. My student ID is 2022873056 and I would like to present about acid. There are 5 things I will explain to you about acid, which is the definition of acid, basicity of acid, pH value of acid, the acid strength, and the uses of acid. Acid is a hydrogen-containing substance that can donate a proton, which is hydrogen ion, to another substance and can continue to be energetically beneficial after losing H+. Most acids contain a hydrogen atom bonded that can release or dissociate to yield a cation and an anion in water. Acids are known to turn blue litmus paper red. The higher the concentration of hydrogen ions produced by an acid, the higher its acidity and the lower the pH of the solution. Some body-produced acids, such as stomach acids, can support organ function. Next, I will explain about basicity of acids. There are 3 basicity, which is monoprotic acid, diprotic acid, and triprotic acid. Monoprotic acid is an acid that are able to donate only 1 hydrogen atom per molecule, includes strong acids and weak acids to an aqueous solution. For example, hydrochloric acid. Move on to diprotic acid, an acid that can donate 2 hydrogen atoms per molecule, while triprotic acid is an acid that are able to donate 3 hydrogen atoms per mole. The example of diprotic acid is sulfuric acid, and for triprotic acid is phosphoric acid. Potential of hydrogen, or known as pH value, is a measure of the relative amount of free hydrogen and hydroxyl ions in the water. The range goes from 0 to 40, and any solution that has a pH below 7 is acidic. A universal indicator, which is pH meter or pH paper, frequently used to determine the pH value. The pH scale shows a battery acid has 0 pH value with the most acidity, sulfuric acid with 1 pH value, lemon juice with 2 pH value, and orange juice with 3 pH value. Acid rain has 4 pH value, and to be specific, 4.2 to 4.4. The pH scale continues with banana that has 5.0 to 5.3 pH value, and the pH value of it is 6.5 to 6.8 pH value. Afterwards, the strength of acids divided into 2, strong acid and weak acid. Strong acid is an acid that ionizes completely in water to produce high concentration of hydrogen ions and the pH value close to 1, while weak acid is an acid that ionizes partially in water to produce low concentration of hydrogen ions with a pH value that is below 7. In detail, for strong acids, these hydrogen ion and chloride ions are totally ionized from all hydrogen chloride molecules that are dissolved in water. Thus, there are no hydrogen chloride molecules. Acid molecules will produce hydrogen ions, which will then interact with water molecules to form hydroxonium ions. Likewise, weak acids, hydrogen ions and ethanoic ions can arise from the molecule of ethanolic acid, also can be created by combining these ions once more. Plus, there are also properties of acid, which physical and chemical characteristics of acid are separated. The chemical reaction between acids and other substances are referred to as acids' chemical characteristics. The acids that conduct electricity strongly is a strong acid, and the acid that conducts electricity weakly is a weak acid. Moreover, their pH values are always less than 7, and when acid reacted with metals, these substances produce hydrogen gas. In addition, acids are sour in taste because of their hydrogen concentration. This is the example of an experiment, balloon inflation. Baking soda and vinegar are combined inside the bottle. The reaction of the citric acid and the sodium hydrogen carbonate produces carbon dioxide gas, which inflates the balloon to a larger size as more gas is produced. Besides, every acid has its own uses. Acetic acid is used directly to enhance the flavor of food. In fact, we commonly know acetic acid as vinegar and a preservative in pickles. Most microorganisms cannot live in an acidic environment. An acidic environment either slows down their activities or can also kill them. This is why you will find vinegar in many commonly packaged food items such as pickles, sauce, and ketchups. Phosphoric acid is a component of fertilizer, which is 80% of total use, detergents, and many household cleaning products. Nitric acid and sulfuric acid used in the manufacture of paints, drugs, dyes, and to produce fertilizer. Sulfuric acid also is such an important industrial chemical that it is called the king of chemicals, which is widely used in batteries. Now, I will show you the video of the strongest acid in the world. That is all from me. I end with one quote by Mark Twain, which is, "Anger is an acid that can do more harm to the vessel in which it is stored than to anything on which it is put. It never solves any problem or worry, rather it makes us more stressful. It starts controlling our emotion, but eventually leads us nowhere." Thank you.